Welcome back to Generate.net. Imagine being able to create an AI Chrome extension in under 10 seconds. Now, I know that sounds unbelievable, and before you click away from this video, bear with me, and in only 20 seconds, I'm going to actually show you that done right now. So what AI tool do I need? I need an AI tool that's going to create a description for this video. So watch this. I click on the Chrome extension, which is available on Generate.net. I'll show you later how exactly to get it. It's completely free to download. You only pay per use. So then this is one I created already, YouTube description generator. And then all I need to do is paste this text into that box and then it will work. The truth is, if I highlight this text, it will automatically be filled in this box, as you can see. And then if I click the magic wand, it will create a description for this video, which I can then copy and then use like this. Now let me show you how I created this tool by making the same a similar tool but for the tags. So if I wanted a YouTube tags generator, I would click this tool. Just make sure that this is highlighted, because whatever's highlighted will be shown inside the inside the Chrome extension, as I'm about to show you right now. And I'm going to create a new tool. So to create any tool, you just press this plus button over here and you name your extension. It's going to be called the YouTube tags generator. Then I'll click these two arrows and generate a prompt by pressing the magic wand. Please generate a list of relevant tags for YouTube video about a tool. YouTube video. Please delimitate, which means separate, with a comma. That's all. Now I just created a brand new AI tool, which is literally going to create YouTube tags in one click. So here's my tags generator. It doesn't have a logo yet, but in a few seconds a logo should pop up for this YouTube tags generator. Let me click on it, and once you click on it, there we go. So it's even got a logo, and you can see the name of the book is already inside here because it's highlighted, and whatever's highlighted will automatically appear inside here. And then all you need to do now is click the magic wand button over here, and in a number of seconds you will have your YouTube tags. Now if you like them, you just copy them and paste them into this box here. If not, you can just regenerate them by clicking the same tool over here, YouTube tags generator, and then pressing the magic wand button like this. So here we are. This is better. Let's copy that, paste it in here, and as you can see, it just did all the work for me, just like that. Let me just add one more. How to publish a children's book on Amazon KDP. I'll just add a few of my own, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Now this Chrome extension is unbelievable because you could create any type of Chrome extension you need for any type of tool you need. Like for example, let's say you needed a summarizer. So you literally would, and you'd have some text highlighted, you'd literally be able to summarize it just like that. Or any tool you could ever think of, just press the plus button and generate a prompt for it, and then create your summarize, and it literally creates another app to your selection over here. To get this tool, go to Generate.net, to the home page, spelled Generate. Go to AI Business Tools, and then you will find it over down somewhere at the bottom. Let's just search for it. I bet some of you can already see it. Here it is. No code AI Chrome Extension Maker. Now, the idea here is that it's an extension builder. In under 10 seconds you can create your own Chrome extension. Now I'm just showing this again because I feel like this is so underrated. This Chrome extension is a game changer. You can literally create any Chrome extension on the fly whenever you need it. Oh, and I forgot just one more thing I forgot to show you, is that we can automate the entire process. Let me just show you. This is for advanced people who really want to save time. You click on this Chrome extension,
Without further
and
ado,
then
let's jump
you
into
can
my office
automate
and
the
let's
entire
start talking.
procedure. Just make sure the title of the video is
So we decided to
highlighted, for
release
example,
an AI Chrome
and then you go to
extension, which
the
literally
YouTube
changes
description
depending on what
generator, for
website you're on.
example,
Let's say you're on
and then you
YouTube,
click on
for
these
example,
3
and
stars
you
here.
want
This is the
to summarize the
automator
video.
function.
So
When you
just
click on
the
that,
Chrome
you can make it
extension,
run on
voila,
click, so that whenever you
have
click the Chrome
a
extension, it
summary,
will automatically
and you can
run
program the type of
that extension,
summary
whichever
you're
one
gonna
is
get for
selected.
that
So let's
video.
click on that.
Alternatively,
So
let's
YouTube
say
description
you're on
generator
a
will run when
Wikipedia
extension is
or
clicked
another
on
website
this
or
page.
Gmail, and
Now,
you
if
wanna
you want it to
respond
work on
email,
all
so
pages
of course
from
that's
YouTube
also gonna be a one-click
Studio,
response.
so you just delete
But
everything
without
apart from
talking
the
too
main
much, let's
page and
jump
click
straight into my
save.
screen.
That's it.
Let's see
Now
how we can
let's
do
try
this.
it. Let's give it a run. Let's give it a quick test. Just
So here
highlight
I
the
am
name of the
on my
video,
computer,
click
and
the
as you can
extension,
see, I have
and watch how
four
it
windows
creates
open.
a description
Gmail,
automatically
email,
without me pressing
Wikipedia,
anything.
CNET, and a YouTube video. So let's start
It's
with
working.
email. I just want to demonstrate this before I show you how you can do this for yourself. And remember, the possibilities
I
are
hope it's
literally
working.
endless with this. You can do absolutely whatever you need.
It looks like
this
it's doing
Chrome
something,
extension.
but
and when you see
nothing's
how powerful
happening.
it is, you might want to adopt it for your business as well. So
This
I've
isn't
just
awkward, is
highlighted
it?
This email because this is
Oh,
what I
yes,
want
it is.
the extension to see, and I'm going to click on the Chrome extension. Let
what
me
the
zoom in
hell is
for you.
going on?
Right
Okay,
as
let's
soon
give
as
it
you
another
click the Chrome
try. I'll click
extension,
the
it's
Chrome
all there.
extension
Then
again.
you can click
This time, hopefully,
the
it will
one,
actually
and
work.
You will get the video's agenda using that summarizer. Now, if you want a one-line summarizer, you just click.
So
If
here we
you
go,
want
it's
the
loading again,
main
and
point
yes,
summarized,
fantastic.
You click that.
It's
summarizer,
working
and
perfectly.
then
So you just copy that
click the
and then
magic wand.
paste that
And
into
remember, you
here.
can
So let me
automate
just show you
whichever
again
one
how
is your
easy this
favorite.
is.
If
You
your favorite one
highlight
is
something
the
that you
one-liner,
want to create some content
then
for.
you can just
You
click on
press
the
the
one-line
Chrome
summary
extension,
then
and as long
automate
as you've
that
done the
one.
automation,
So that every
it
time
will
you
literally
click on
work
the
as
Chrome
soon as you
extension,
click the
it
Chrome
will
extension.
instantly
And here is the
run
information.
on YouTube
Copy
videos when the
it,
extension
paste it
is
into
clicked.
place, and click
remember,
next,
as always,
and that's
don't
it.
forget
Now
to
this
remove
video is about to be
everything
published.
apart from YouTube.com
Let
if
me
you want it
actually
to
do the
work
same
on
thing for the video I just
page.
created right now.
So as you can see, there's
So I'm
six
going to stop the recording
YouTube
right
video
now,
summarizers
and then
pre-built into this
and
app.
I'm going to do the
But if you
same
don't wanna
thing for
use
this
them,
video
click
right
the
now.
green YouTube button,
Okay,
and
that
the
concludes the
summarizers do
video.
work. Now, the
Please
logo for
download
this
this
one is
extension
being
over
made,
here.
and
It
here
will
is.
come in handy in many,
And,
many,
let's
many
delete all
cases.
the automations.
Thanks for
To
watching,
delete
and bye for
automation,
now.
you click